How to use SEMrush for digital marketing agencies. Digital marketing agencies today are under constant pressure to deliver measurable results and clear ROI to clients. That's where SEMrush comes in. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that offers powerful tools for SEO, PPC, content marketing, social media, and competitive research. Agencies can use it to streamline their workflow, manage client campaigns, and produce data-driven strategies with confidence. One of the most valuable features for agencies is the project dashboard. This dashboard lets you create and manage separate projects for each client. Within each project, you can run site audits, track keyword rankings, monitor backlinks, and analyze on-page SEO. This means you can oversee dozens of clients from one place, ensuring each campaign is optimized and performing well. Competitor analysis is another major advantage. With SEMrush, you can spy on competitors' keywords, at strategies and traffic sources. This helps agencies craft smarter campaigns, uncover gaps in client strategies, and provide informed recommendations backed by data. SEMrush's reporting tools are also essential for agencies. You can generate custom-branded reports that highlight performance metrics, campaign improvements, and ROI. These reports are not only visually impressive, but also save time with automated scheduling. Clients get a clear picture of what's being done and the results being achieved, boosting their trust and satisfaction. By utilizing SEMrush's comprehensive features, from SEO, audits to reporting and competitor research, agencies can deliver better results, save time, and scale their services effectively. Whether you're a small team or a large agency, SEMrush helps you demonstrate value and maintain a competitive edge in the digital marketing space.